Hi friends, welcome back, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my happy home. I'm your host Arelis. In this video I am sharing with you an update on the renovation. In my last video about the renovation, I ended the video showing you how all my stuff or all the furniture was moved into the storage unit, and I didn't have the time to film how the space looked like after all the furniture was put in storage. So that is why I am starting this video with showing you the space, how it is looking like, all empty, without any furniture. So the first thing they are going to start to do on Wednesday the 8th of July is to remove this laminate floor that you're still seeing here. So I still have a few days left to pick up all these last items, remove my curtain rails and my stair railings. And you see I did put 2 chairs from my backyard here because I still have to sit in this space for another day or two, so that is why those chairs are there. But anyway, this is what the space is looking like, still with the laminate floor in it. So today it is Wednesday the 8th, and they came in this morning and removed the entire laminate floor, and it took them only 2 hours, you guys. It was so easy for them to remove this floor. Of course I could have done it myself, but I decided to let them do everything. So anyway, there was just one small detail, the tiles here in the entryway. Tomorrow they're gonna come and remove those as well, and they did remove the tiles in the bathroom and my laundry area. And this unit that you see here is from my current heating system, and that is going to go and have to make place for the floor heating unit. But anyway, this is on Thursday, by the way. They came to remove the tiles. As you can see, this is heavy duty work, you guys. They really had to come in with this heavy machine to remove all these tiles. So this is it, you guys. This place is all ready for them to start doing the renovation, and the only thing I have to do is take down this window cover, and I will be doing that tomorrow morning first thing. But yeah, the reason, because I just didn't feel comfortable having this window open while I still sleep here, because this will be my last night here while they're gonna do the renovation. And as you can see, I did cover up the entire kitchen, even though I'm planning to replace this. But yeah, it's something not for now immediately, so I want to protect it, and there's going to be a lot of dust coming from that process of installing the floor heating, as you will see. Now the only thing was this floor, but they managed to get it out, so we are still on schedule, and I am so excited because finally everything can start. Now this is the bathroom. They also removed the tiles, as I showed you earlier, and in this space as well. I'm just showing you that I did wipe the floor and cleaned it, and like I said, this unit is going to go and have to make place for the new unit for the floor heating. And here's the final shot of this space before they install the floor heating. And yes, I'm a diehard, still have my internet connection until the last minute. So it is the next day, Friday the 10th, and he started making the creases for the floor heating. And I didn't film it because I didn't want to get in his way, and it was a lot of noise. But anyway, it is looking good so far. And here is a shot of the machines that he's been using. This is a machine to collect all the dust from the vacuumer, and he already filled up 4 bags of dust. Can you believe that? It is so much dust, you guys. But anyway, the floor is really funny looking, and here are the pipes that are gonna go into these creases where the water will be going through to heat up the floor. And here's another shot of the vacuumer that he used while he was creating the creases, and this vacuumer picked up all the dust immediately, so there was not a lot of dust while he was doing this process. Now he stumbled upon one problem trying to create the creases to the unit. As you can see, there are 3 lines, and this floor is heavy duty, and it was really tough for him to create the lines. And as you can see, there are 3, but there has to be 8 of them, and this just creating the other 5 took him 4 hours longer than expected. So yeah, that was really hard work for him, but he did manage it, and now you see that everything is done. He cleared out everything, and all the pipes are in the creases, and it is really coming together, you guys. I am so excited, just not having my radiators anymore and being able to walk bare feet in the winter. I am so excited about that. But anyway, this is what the space is looking like. He did create some creases underneath the stairs, which is not something that's very common, but I'm glad he did. But yeah, this is what it's looking like, and the next step in this renovation is that they're going to start plastering the walls. So yeah, I am so excited for the progress, and everything is still on schedule. Now I still wanted to show you what the unit looked like after he had installed it. As you can see, he did manage to get all 8 pipes into the space, and it is a bunch of abracadabra to me. There is a QR code on there, so I know what to do, how to set up this installation, how to turn it on actually, because it is already set up and everything. It is just that I have to turn it on, and here's the QR code, like I've mentioned. But yeah, it is looking like something out of this world to me, but yeah, I am not a technician, so I wouldn't know. So today it is Monday, July 13th, and they are starting on the walls and the ceilings, and I'm also going to have my TV hanged. So I asked them to put the power cords in the wall, and look at this, you guys. This wall is really so tough. And what you can see here is he started putting the internet cord into the wall, but that was so hard for him to do, so he decided to go underneath the floor instead. But yeah, these houses are built to last I think a gazillion lifetime. But anyway, I was kind of worried about all the mess they were making on the floor, but he assured me that everything will be cleared and cleaned out by the end of the week. Now I was missing a few wall outlets in this home, so I asked them to install a few of them for me as well. That one was one of them, and I will show you them the other ones later. But anyway, here is another look of my internet connection that was coming out of the wall. I had just had this cord hanging out, so yeah, I will be so happy and so excited that everything will be going into the wall or underneath the floor, so no more cords hanging inside. Now look at all these messes these guys are making, but yeah, I am still so excited. I just let them do their thing, and I hope for the best at the end. And here is another wall socket that I'm having installed here in the kitchen. And here he is installing the third and final wall outlet here in my entryway. And it is a Wednesday, the 15th of July already, you guys, and this is how far along they are. They already plastered most of the walls. They have to do the space up the stairs, as you can see here. But yeah, they are really progressing so fast, you guys. They only have to do the ceilings as far as I can see right now. So I am so excited to have these walls plastered. And here you just see that the cords are still hanging out of the wall. But anyway, they did close up the gap, and they have to finish it up still. So I'm gonna go give you one more last quick overview, and then I'm going to end this video here for now. So you have to come back and see the further progress that they are making. Look at all this mess, you guys. But anyway, yeah, that's it for this video, and I hope that you are as excited as I am to see the end result, because really I cannot wait. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I see you again in my next one really soon. Until then, always remember to live, laugh, love, and stay safe. Bye.